Hello, my name is Charles Berardi with Innovative Real Estate Solutions. Today I would like to talk to you about lending your money for high returns in real estate. I'm going to show to you an insight into an opportunity to make more money than the banks, a much more stable way of investing than the stock market, how to increase your rate of return on investment, and a no-hassle, maintenance-free, secured investment. And best of all, how it can be tax-free. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have been in the real estate investment realm for over 3 years. I'm a licensed realtor in Florida and Pennsylvania, and I have over 1,000 hours in investment education. I am also a member of the National Real Estate Investment Association. So people ask, why real estate investment? I was one of 37 million Americans with college debt, making $30,000 to $40,000 a year, averaging $15 to $20 an hour, paying back over $80,000. I got hired by the big mouse, Walt Disney World, knowing that I would be maxed out at $25 to $28 an hour. I was working 10 to 20 hours a day, all hours of the day, to keep up with bills, working 80 plus hours a week. And then the shift happened. I realized there was no house, no family, I had no friends, no vacations, no freedom, no luxury in my future. So I had to find a way out. And that was real estate investment. My goals and aspirations becoming a full-time real estate investor is to improve my quality of life while helping and educating others to pursue the same. I want to help investors increase their wallets, and I want to help people in difficult situations while providing new opportunities. So let's look at today's real estate investment market. Let me tell you, it is a buyer's market. That means the sellers are having a difficult time getting rid of their properties and allows buyers to become very picky. There are more motivated sellers now than ever, so it is an excellent time to buy property. The state of the mortgage industry is feeding into a problem that sellers are having with their property. Many loans that used to be available for homeowners have been discontinued, and traditional home buyers are having a tougher time getting loans to buy properties. And to top it all off, foreclosures are at an all-time high. I want to explain to you what our business model looks like so that you have a full understanding of how you, the investor, comes into play. We locate motivated sellers. As I just said, there are a ton of motivated sellers out there right now. We have several different market strategies that we use to find them. We provide solutions through speed and ease of the transaction. Our primary service to someone that needs to sell is speed. We need to take care of the problem property and the ease of working with a professional home buyer, using cash from investors to buy property at deep discounts. Through our investors, we have the opportunity to make someone a cash offer and close very quickly. By providing this service, we get to buy the property at a deep discount, usually at 65% of the value. That means we might pay 65 cents on the dollar. We create a win-win-win scenario between seller, investor, and our company. The seller is able to sell their home quick for cash. Our investor makes a good return on their investment, and we pocket the profits from the deal. That seems pretty simple, right? Why we buy using private lenders? Cash is king. We offer quick cash closings and can buy at a discount because of it and make better offers in most situations. The speed to close a deal. As I've already said, speed is our main service. We can close a deal within a week if need be. It's like profit sharing. We don't mind paying an investor a good rate of return because we make a profit created in the deal. We look at it as if we are sharing some of the profit from the deal with our investor. So who here has rode this ride recently? What was your return like? How predictable are these investments? As per Forbes magazine, the average return on stock are 0.6% to 6.9%. How about 401k? According to Fidelity, one of the largest 401k providers in the world, with over 12 million accounts, the average 401k balance is now around $91,800 as of September 2015. Now let me ask you, how far will $91,800 get you after age 65? The average cost of living at that age is $34,000 to $46,000 annually. Anyone out there invest in CDs? You guys are making 0.002% on the dollar. Let's take a look at Bank of America rates as of September 2015. You're making anywhere from 0.03% to 0.15%. How about GE Capital Bank, one of the top 10 banks to invest with? Looks a little better, 0.7% to 2%. But what if I told you can make more return on your investment than the banks? Mortgage rates are at an all-time low from 3 to 4%. Would you be interested in making 6 to 12+%? So this is how our investment opportunities are structured. Someone can invest with us as little as $5,000 up to a couple $1,000,000. It's typically set up for as short as 6 months to as long as 5 years. The investment offers a range of 6 to 12+ annualized return. As far as payment terms, we can set you up for regular payments, monthly, quarterly, or annually, or we can just let the interest accrue. Our terms are customizable to what you are looking for in a return. So let me show you an example of how this works. This is 109 Graham Road. This is a bank-owned property. The private investor lent us $140,000, pay for purchase, minor repairs, and holding costs. After selling the property for $210,000, we take away the cost of the property, minus the cost of repairs, minus the 10% interest accrued, which by the way was a 14% return on investment for our lender. We made a profit of $56,000. So like I said, it is a win-win-win situation for both the private lender, ourselves, and the bank. So you might be asking, how is my investment secured? Equity in the property plus our maximum loan-to-value ratio are your safety net. We don't borrow more than 70 to 75% loan-to-value. Typical banks loan up to 80%. Let me show you an example of how we calculate this. We take the purchase contract price plus the repairs to bring it up to the market price, and we get the loan amount. In this case, it is $95,000. Then we take the loan amount and divide it by the after repair value, that which is determined by a subject to appraisal, which is the predetermined value if the property was fixed up in its current condition. In this case, we determine the loan-to-value percentage here is 70%. So along with protecting our lenders with not over-leveraging the loan, you also get a note and a mortgage just like a bank, plus title and property casualty and fire insurance, just in case a natural disaster comes through or a contractor accidentally burns down the property. And worst case scenario, we can foreclose on the property with 70% loan to value ratio to cover your investment. So you might be asking yourself, I have equity in my home. Could I use that to invest in our program? If someone wanted to, they could get an equity line and invest the money into our program. You might be asking, most of my money is in the stock market, but I don't want to sell right now. How can I invest with you? Same scenario here. If someone wanted to, they could use their stock as collateral for a loan and invest that money with us. What about taxes? How is this going to affect my taxable income? Interest income is treated just like ordinary income. I would advise speaking with your accountant for further information, but you only pay taxes on the interest income received in any year. If the investment accrued interest rather than having regular payments, you would not be taxed on those earnings until you actually receive them. And if it is used within an IRA, it is not taxed. So what's the next step? Take a few seconds to fill out the form below to let us know your interest. Even if you're saying this is just not for me, if you know someone that might be interested, let us know. Or you might need to think about it or have more questions. Fill out the form and check the box below, and you can either give us a call or we will contact you to answer any and all questions. Or you might be saying, sign me up, and we will contact you and let you know what the next steps are to making your money work for you and increase your investment. You can also email me or call me below. You can also download our in-depth report below for more information. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day, and we hope to work with you soon and increase your wealth.